Hello and welcome, it's Amin today with you for the last video of this series, and we will be talking about virtual environments and packages in Python. So we have had one video of a tutorial of, let's say, how you would manage modules in Python. And here we'll see how we manage like virtual environments in Python. So here, to create a Python virtual environment, let's say, okay, oh, let's do it here. We'll open the terminal in our working directory. This is the working directory you have access to in GitHub anyway. And here we would use this command. Here, when you use it, we would create, let's say, a virtual environment. If it's not created, so normally I don't have it created in here. Should be so fine. Here, this is how you would do it. If you have like Python 3, it's your Python 3 or whatever. Here, for example, I would say, okay, for me it's P, I guess. Here, you can create this virtual env like this, or we can, and of course, after this is for creating it, and this is for using it. So you would see that here I am working with base. This base is to say, okay, this is, I'm using the, let's say the Python base. And here I have created my virtual environment. This one has been created somewhere. So it's here, tutorial environment, and here I would source it. So I would use the second command to say, okay, now I have to activate this. I would source this activate, let's say, script that will activate, let's say, this virtual environment. And here you can see that my virtual environment is, I'm working on this kind of Python virtual environment. If I want to install something, so maybe I didn't really mention what are the virtual environments. I would like, it's like a virtual machine, a virtual Python machine where your packages to install, your let's say your settings, your Python settings, everything would be managed in this virtual environment.